Today's recipe is not going to be sweet. Hi everyone, welcome to Rice Cooker Baking with Lifeofpang. I have wanted to make this a while ago, and Lauren's comment for more savory recipes came just at the right time. Seven-eighths of a cup is 210 milliliter or 16 tablespoons, or as you can see, I'm using a 1/2 cup, 1/4 cup, and 1/8 cup. Be sure your water is warm and not hot. And do click that like button because it costs you $0. So share and sub to get more delicious recipe. And make sure you use cold press extra virgin olive oil for a healthier option. If using a measuring cup, pour the flour into the cup, lightly pack it, and then level it off with a straight edge. This will ensure you get the right amount. And I would love it if you connect with me on any of your favorite social media platforms. All my links are at the bottom of the description box below. Oh, I do have this attachment for my hand mixer, so I might as well use them. Knead your dough for 3 to 5 minutes. The dough is very soft and sticky, and that's exactly what we want. Shape it into a ball as much as you can. Cover, and we're going to proof this for 45 minutes. You will need 2 large cloves of garlic. For those of you that like to read your recipe, the full written recipe, instruction, and oven baking is in the description box below. Make sure you expand that to get that information. And by the way, if you're new to rice cooker baking, I have some important tips at the end, so make sure you check that out. And use only the green end of the scallion. And use any white cheese such as Gouda, mozzarella, Parmesan, or white cheddar. And I forgot to oil my mat. So the dough was sticking. Make sure you lightly grease your surface. The dough is super soft and hard to handle with your hands. Shape this into a ball. And then cut it into 8 pieces. I am dipping my spatula into my filling to get it greased. Flatten each piece of the dough and then fill it with about 1 tablespoon of the fillings. Seal the edges as much as you can and shape it into whatever shape you desire. I am rolling mine into a bun-like shape. So I still had a little bit of filling left, so I'm going to top it. Cover and plug in your rice cooker. Leave it on the warm status, and we're going to proof this for another 15 minutes. The dough was below line 4 before, and after proofing, it is at line 4. Now, one bake cycle is 5 minutes in hot heat in the cook status and 25 minutes in low heat in the warm status. Well, not very pretty, eh? But let's see how it tastes. After 2 bake cycles, which is 60 minutes, mine stuck to the side, so I need to loosen it with a spatula. And oh, the bottom is beautifully brown. For those baking in the oven, your bread should be brown all around. I am going to serve mine bottoms up. Look at how soft this is. Oh, I'm drooling right now. Are you? And please support my channel by clicking that like button. It really does help my video. And comment below to let me know if you'd like to see more savory recipes as well. And please help me grow my channel by sharing my videos and channel on your favorite social media to spread the word that you can bake in your rice cooker. And if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. My name is Pang, and I do put out a new video every Saturday, so don't miss any recipe by clicking that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Will you try it? Let me know in the comment below. So until next week, happy baking in your rice cooker.